Hi, welcome to Hexus TV's coverage of CeBIT 2010. On the Enermax stand, I'm here with Till, and we're looking at PSUs first. Till, I've been to probably 50 booths this show. Out of those, maybe 25 are doing PSUs, and those companies normally do memory, graphics, etc. So how, as primarily a manufacturer of PSUs, can you differentiate your products and show worth?
Yes, hi everybody, my name is Till from Enermax. That's right what you say. Many manufacturers of memory, graphic cards are now starting to make PSU because you can gain some more margin with it. But to be honest, we are a manufacturer and we produce our own products in our own manufacturing. And we have quality control, we have control about the components we use, and we bring in with new design teams, new technology and very high innovative products. So it's really quality products, reliable products we bring on the market.
You've got a couple of new series, well this one in particular, which is the Modu 87 Plus. Can you talk about the features and what kind of enthusiast or person it's aimed at?
Okay, right. So our main focus this year is on the power supply, especially the Modu 87 and the Pro 87 Plus series. These series are gold certified by the 80 Plus organization, and we achieve this very high efficiency, which is peaking 92 to 93% in a 230 volt net. With no new technologies. We have new technologies like dynamic frequencies with transformers. We have dynamic voltages to load the capacitors. And yeah, we have LAC technique. And through these three techniques, we gain a very high efficiency. And we are starting from 500 watts upwards. So there's nobody else who can achieve this efficiency in the 500 wattage range currently.
You say you start at 500 watts and it scales upwards, obviously. What kind of pricing are you talking about in either euros, pounds or dollars?
Okay, so now I can tell you only the euro price currently, the MSRP we now set up. The price will of course change and the market price is low as always. But the 500 watt starts around 119 euros. Inclusive VAT, and we are going up to 800 watts modular version, and this is ending at 180 euros in Germany. In UK probably we'll get some better prices.
Isn't it quite expensive to have what's a mainstream PSU starting at 120 euros? And again, even though you say you've got a bunch of features, we think it's a difficult sell, especially in a very, very competitive market. How do you answer that?
Well, that's right. Of course, the products with the latest technology, with the best standard you can get on the market, have its price. So that's quite normal. This is especially for a target group who wants really, really good products, who rely on the very latest technology. And yeah, of course, therefore you unfortunately have to pay some more bucks.
Enermax does PSUs primarily, but you've branched out recently, in recent years, to doing chassis, fans and peripherals.
Right.
So if we go over to the chassis section.
Okay, let's go.
Yep, let's have a look. We've now moved over to the cases section. Till, we talked about expertise and how a company should do its core product. What does a PSU manufacturer know about chassis?
Well, a lot, because we know the IT market, and of course our PSUs get into the chassis, and therefore we have a big knowledge also in chassis. And now we are also active with products in this chassis category since several years now.
And you've got a few new examples of your chassis over here.
That's right. We have some new products shown here on the CeBIT in Hanover. And the first one is the Volcanoes. This is a modern gaming case. We have a new fan inside. You can see the lightning of the fan. We have up to 18 LEDs on the fan. We have space for more fans on the back side and on the side panel, and also on the upper side of the case. And the most important thing is that we now support also 14 centimeters case fans. So you get a more silent cooling and a more powerful cooling.
And presumably all these fans come pre-supplied with the chassis?
Well, this version is supplied with one front fan and one back fan, and then the other fans are optional.
The usual questions, how much and when can somebody buy it?
Well, this will be around $69 US, MSRP VAT.
And moving along.
Yes, this is the same one. It is a different color version. This is only black one, and you can switch your fan. You can switch your fan to red and blue, and you can also switch between several light effects, turning light, blinking light, or whatever the user wishes.
Right. Would these be too cheap to have a removable tray inside?
Well, you have a lot of space for HDDs. You have a very good mainboard plate, so you can adjust the CPU cooler also with attached CPU and graphic cards. And the PSU will be mounted on the button of the case. So it's following the new trend of case and setting up the system.
Right. As an enthusiast, a huge chassis over there has caught my eye. So let's talk about that. Let's move on over.
Okay, let's go. So this is our new big tower. Recently our big chakra case went end of life. So now we have to produce a successor. And this is a 1510 case. We have not finalized the name yet. And of course, you have a lot of space for modern graphic cards. Up to 31 centimeter graphic cards can be supplied.
So the very latest AMD NVIDIA cards will fit there without messing around with the power connectors.
That's right. Everything fits into it, and you have a very good cable routing, so you can really hide all cables. You have, again, 2 front fans inside. You have a very big 25 centimeter side fan. You can adjust the light. You can adjust the fan speed. So it is really up to the user what he wants from the cooling system. And you additionally can open or close the vents on top of the case to generate the airflow you want to have.
So this is designed primarily for the high-end enthusiast gamer who wants to put all their components into the chassis and have it cooled effectively.
Yeah, well, of course. You can also build up small servers with the case. You can build up Crossfire and SLI systems, and everything will stay very cool inside the case.
So that's still talking about chassis. We're going to see 3-4 more coming fairly soon from Enermax. Also, with the core business being PSUs, quite a few more of those. We're going to move over to another stand, another part of the stand in a second show, so head back for more on Hexus TV.